What's up, everyone? Welcome back. Jodio Joestar, the new JoJo from JoJo Lands. This is part 9, I think. So let's go. Let's draw this guy. So, right, so you can't really see his eyes. So his hair is seems to be like the main feature. We'll start with the hair. So landscape page, pencil eraser, hit pause if I go too fast. So center point to my page about here. We'll come up and we'll start with this sort of W sort of shape that he has just above the nose. So this is the shape for the hair, right? Let's go like little lines on it like that. So drawing this from a manga, so quite detailed. And then this side comes down here, and we can barely see his eyes under there. This goes back up. And there's like some extra little, Iraqi, the way he draws. This kind of things, extra little dots and stuff. And this, his hair is tied, it seems, down here, like in a ribbon sort of thing. That goes up underneath the hood, somewhere up there. Right, that's kind of tight. So there's a star here. And then it's kind of just, it's like the hair is tied, I think. And then some more. So the hair just kind of hanging down here. Okay, so then we got like this big hood that comes across just here. And this goes down. Look around that way. And then the hair has like extra sort of lines inside, like this kind of stuff. Right, like that. So then we can just see his eyes sort of in between these bits of hair, right? So like a little bit, so like top eyelid there. And they're real thick and like eyelashes and stuff. So typical JoJo sort of. Right, and then the bottom eyelid there, and like eyelashes and stuff on that. And then iris. There, and then his pupil just in the middle, and then in JoJo we normally give 2 sort of highlights, and then some like iris lines and stuff. So then we have an eyelid line, and then an eyebrow going that way, and it has some texture on the eyebrow. In the other eye, so it's like we can see a little bit more of it, so it'll go up and across, like more of this side of his eye. So like roughly, if you imagine the width of the eye, that'll fit in between both of his eyes, where his tear duct would be if you could see it. So in a standard human proportion, you can fit an eye in between 2 eyes. And then bottom eyelid curves around here. And just thicken it up a bit and add some eyelashes again. then his iris, just carving around here. See less of it in the pupil. Then shine again, like so, and then his eyelid line, and sort of eyebrow up here. Okay, for the nose, all that's kind of drawn in, right? So we can see sort of a nostril, say here, the nostril on the other side, like there. And then these are drawn together, like just curved line coming around like so. And then nostril curves around and up, and nostril curves around and up this way. And then we have some light sort of lines coming down for the bridge of the nose, and then the tip of the nose has a line drawn onto it as well. This kind of stuff. And then I think in true JoJo style, he has shadow on the bottom of the nose here. And like coming down, there's like a shadow here as well. Okay. And that's kind of it for the nose. So then the mouth, so real big JoJo lips. So we go across, down in the middle, back up, across, sort of smiling a little bit on the edges. So these sort of dimple sort of lines like that. And then bottom lip, quite big. Curve down and up there, and dots or something. And like we'll put a shadow. So let's see, a shadow here. And then top lip. Some hatching on it. And like shadow underneath here. Okay, so chin, pretty square. Chin just here. And like proportion wise, you're about eyes to nose is about the same as nose to chin, and then nose to bottom lip about the same as bottom lip to chin. Sort of the, say here on the bottom lip, so here to here about the same as here to here. Bottom lip usually is about halfway, and then nose is halfway between eyes and chin. Okay, so then jawbone up that way, jawbone up here, and then we change direction up like so, and then we can have those sort of lines that JoJo characters sometimes have on their cheeks, like that. Then we have a sideburn there, and then the ears. So ears just come around like so, just in there, and then the other side, sort of line them up. Comes down around into there. He has an earring sticking off this. It's like a fisher's hook or something, fisherman's hook. Goes behind the ear there. And then ear lines inside. It doesn't actually draw too much in the way of ears. Our boy Iraqi, he just does something like that. So neck. Down there. And then the other side of the neck somewhere over there. Right, so then we got like a shadow underneath the chin. And sort of neck muscles. Okay, so then the rest of this hood comes down around this way into there, and then it has like lots of zippers and stuff, so it goes around the other side. Down like that, like an extra sort of line inside here. And then like a yellow zipper. One down here somewhere. And then on this side, there. That, and then there's an orange thing here, and then like a cable or something here. It's longer on this side. Right, so then the rest of the hoodie down like that. I'm gonna put like some fold lines and stuff. And it's just all blue, it looks like. So we have another collar inside here. It says November on it. Like that. It's all dark black inside here. Right, so we've got like a love heart just in the middle of his chest. It's got wings. Right, like so. Then you got like these pink shoulder pads, it seems. Like either side. There. And this is like a belt. We get his shoulders done first. So we got these like big sort of yellow, not yellow, pink shoulder pads coming down this way. And this side as well. Right. And like shoulder then is about head width. So the shoulder will stick out here. Right. So he's got like, so shoulder go out here, say. Right. It's got this like fold line going down that way. And then like chest there. Right. So shoulder on the other side, about here. And then like chest and fold lines and stuff all here. Right, so I think there's like an extra edge line on this. And then a belt that comes the whole way across it. You know, it's like got all these buckles. And then orange lines here. Like so. And that, I think, is it. Maybe the hoodie should come down behind his shoulder there a bit more. Okay. Jodio. Hope it's helpful. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one. Bye.